So if you have a box truck or you're thinking about purchasing a box truck just to tap into the trucking industry, I've got your back. Before purchasing your box truck and launching your business, I encourage you to watch this video in its entirety. Okay? So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is set up your LLC, your limit liability company, by visiting the Secretary of State's website. It's free. I'll be posting a step-by-step video guide to get you through the whole process. Next, you head over to irs.gov to apply for your EIN number. That's free. After that, you'll need to obtain your city license. That should be free, depending on your city. Now, here's a critical step. Take all of these documents to your bank to open up your business account. Remember, this is how you will be getting paid. And everybody will pay you this way. So you will definitely need to open up your business account. And you can handle all of this I just told you. You can handle it by yourself. It's absolutely free. Once you have your business set up, go to your FMSCA website and apply for your MC number. This will give you access to platforms like the DAT Load Board, Truck Stock Load Board, and Amazon Relay. Keep in mind that for Amazon Relay, your authority must be at least 6 months old. If you want to learn how to start aging your authority, check out my previous video I made on that. So, after gaining access, explore the loads available within your radius. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Check out the check out the loads that's in your radius. When you just starting out, you might prefer not to go over the road, so focus on local opportunities. Also look for dedicated loads by searching job boards like Indeed. Avoid the mistake of going into places like Lowe's or Home Depot asking for dedicated routes. That's not how it works. Once you've done researching and you're ready to purchase your box truck, don't forget to apply for your BOC3 and your UCR. You can do this yourself. You don't have to pay anybody to do that. And make sure you secure your insurance. And there you have it. Remember, don't worry. I got your back. Share this video with somebody that may need it. If you like my content, follow me. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment. Don't forget to like this video.